So if you're facing the problem of server is down, error 521, then this is the only video that you want to see to solve this problem. So hi guys, in this video I will solve the issue quickly. So first of all, if you are in your browser, then you need to firstly delete the browsing data. All right, so for that reason you need to go to the three dots and go to the settings, and then from here I will select the privacy and security option, and then here is the delete browsing data option. So this I will take last 7 days, and I will remove all the cache file, cookies and many more browsing data that is available to this browser. So I will delete all of these like that, and then I need to go to the search engine option right here. Then simply go with the manage search engines and site search. I will select that one. Then all you're gonna do, simply you can make the Microsoft Bing as your default browser search engine like this. Just select that one and make it default like that. This might solve the issue of the error 521. If not, then all you're gonna do, simply go to the site search and simply tap on this add button, and then name it like new one. Again, name it like new one, as you don't need that one much. So then you need to type in https://www.google.com like that, and then again slash, then you need to type in #q, then equal percentage and s like that, and simply tap on the add button. And here you can see this is the new one I have just created right now. So after that you need to select the three dot and make it like default like that. Now if we open it up, as you can see, we got the Google, and we will now officially fix the error 521. If not, then here is another thing you can do to solve this problem. You need to go to the search bar and search for control panel. Just open it up. Now from here you need to open the internet option. So let me just find out real quick. Here is the internet option, so you need to open it up, and then from here you need to search for the connection option. You need to just tap. All right, after that you need to just tap on the content option, and then simply tap on the clear SSL state and simply tap on OK, and there you have it. Now the issue of error 521 should be solved. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time. Peace out.